Welcome to Apex's Manufacture, where today you will experience an immersive manufacture tour. We have multiple production lines, providing excellent supply capacity. Each commercial fridge is carefully put together with high-quality parts. Efficient compressors ensure excellent performance of the refrigeration system. Cleverly integrated condensers provide quick and powerful heat dissipation, while precisely designed evaporators ensure the temperature even throughout the fridge. Our employees have an average of over 10 years of experience, making them invaluable assets to Apex. Every step is carefully controlled. Quality is our promise to every consumer. We conduct full quality inspections controlling temperature lines. We carefully check our products before sending them worldwide, ensuring everyone gets to experience our top-notch quality. Thank you for watching our factory tour. For more information, please visit our website.